Good day, ma'am. My name is Joyce Angela A. Palibino. So, my report is Figure 13.9 of Operation Management Group 3. This is a continuation report of John Paul about quantity discount. These two graphs shows about the total cost or TC, ordering cost or CC, and carrying cost or gastos sa pag-iimbak. These two graphs is connected on economic order quantity or EOQ on how to affect the quantity discounts sa kabuong gastos. As you can see, the first graph, the total cost or TCA, TCB, TCC is to represent the cost levels as prices decrease. Ordering cost O or OC decrease as quantity increase. Carrying cost or CC, which is increases with the quantity. EOQ, the optimal order quantity where the total cost is minimized. An arrow down indicating decreased price which affect the total cost curves. The procedure for determining the overall EOQ differs slightly depending on which of these two cases is relevant. For carrying costs that are constant, the procedure is as follows. First is compute the common minimum point and then identify the price range in which the minimum point is feasible. A. If the minimum point is feasible in the lowest cost price range, that is the optimal order quantity. B. If the minimum point is the higher cost range, compute the total cost for the feasible minimum point and for the price break quantity. Compare the total cost, the quantity, minimum point or price break quantity that yields the lowest total cost is the optimal order quantity. So, let's determine the optimal order quantity with quantity discount and carrying cost. So, in inventory management, is a critical function in operation management, especially when determining how much stocks to order at a time. Economic order quantity or EOQ model, which help to minimize the total cost. However, when quantity discounts are available, the ordering decision becomes more complex. Kay malibog naman si buyer daw daigon banaan yang kanaan pagpalit or gamayon lang tungod na ang discount. So let's analyze our real world in determining the optimal order quantity while considering the ordering cost, carrying cost, and quantity discount. Si maintenance department daw sa large hospital uses kuno ng about 816 cases ng liquid cleanser annually. Then kuno yung ordering cost na $12 kuno kay syempre on saan mga baydanan sa mga pag-deliver or transpo or etc. na baydanon. Then yung carrying cost are $4 per cases a year. So kay gamay lang man yung agnaan orderon, so baba sab yung carrying cost or kanan stock. So in the new price schedule indicates that ordering less than 50 cases kuno will cost $20 per case. Kung mo order ko sab ng 50 to 79 cases will cost daw ng $18 per cases. So in the more daig kan mo paliton, the more sab kuno mo baba yung cost ng and liquid cleanser per case. So how taas yung order mo baba pa siya ng $16 per case. So let's determine the optimal quantity and the total cost. D is annual demand equal 816 cases per year. Amo yan yung agnaan orderon. So, yung $12 is amo yung ordering cost naan. So, yung $4 amo yan yung carrying cost naan per year. So, di ba tungod sang new price schedule, amo ngini yung kanaan range and price. So, kung mo order ko kuno na less 50 or 1 to 49 yung price saan is $20 then so on. So, compute the common minimum quantity. So, yung makita mayo sang picture, amo ngini yung kanaan formula. So, pag i-compute mo yan 69.97 equals 70 cases. It means the 70 cases fall in the $18 per cases range. But let's compute the total cost for feasible ordering quantity. The total cost for feasible order quantities. So, the TC 70, the total cost 70 cases, carrying cost plus order cost plus purchase cost. So, if total mo yan silan, yung mugawasan is $14.968 because lower cost range exists. Each must be checked against the minimum cost generated by $17 each. In order to buy at $17 per case, at least 80 cases must be purchased because the total cost curve is rising. 80 cases will have lowest total cost for the curve's feasible region. 80 is $14,154. To obtain a cost at 16 per case, at least 100 cases per order are required, and the total cost at the price break will be. And the total cost 100 is $1,354. Therefore, because 100 cases per order yields the lowest total cost 100 cases is the overall optimal order quantity. Explain na mas ma-define mo na mas magana how mo order ka ng 80 to 100 cases kay mas gamay ang total cost. So kay ang lowest cost is 100, so the optimal order quantity is 100 cases. This shows the more cost-effective choice due to the lower unit price, $16 per case. This is highlight the importance of considering both inventory cost and supplier pricing structures when making purchase decision. Explanation and solution. Optimal order quantity with a quantity discount and variable carrying cost. This involves determining the optimal order quantity when quantity discounts are available and carrying costs are expressed as a percentage of unit price. Electric ko no uses 4,000 tanggal switches a year. Yung price ko no ng switches is kapag 1 to 499, yung price is 90 cent each. Then pag yung 500 to 999 is 85 cent each. Then if 1,000 or more pa yung more pa kay 80 cent. So as you can see, the more taas yung kan mo pigapalit, the more mas mababa yung price. So it costs approximately $30 to prepare an order and receive it. And then carrying cost is 40% of purchase price per unit on an annual basis. So the annual demand is 4,000 tanggal switches. Yung ordering cost is $30 per order. Yung carrying cost is 40% of unit price. The goal is determining the optimal order quantity that minimize the total cost. So, pag i-total mo ngini sila ng common minimum quantity, tapos i-compute mo siya isab ng total cost for each feasible order quantity, kaya mo gawasan is the more kuno yung total cost mo is 1,000, the more kuno mas avail ko ng kanilang discount. So, that's all. Thank you.